Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today, I will teach you how to remove or bypass MDM from iPhone, iPad without a username and password. If your iPhone belongs to your school or company, it probably has an MDM lock that restricts you from enjoying all the features on your iPhone. You are locked out of the iPhone if you forget the username and password. Don't worry, Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner can help you bypass the remote management screen on your iPhone or iPad. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Go to cocosenor.com. Download and install the iPhone Passcode Tuner on your computer. Now you can open the software and choose Remove or Bypass MDM. Click Start. Well done. Now your iPhone gets out of remote control. That's all. Thanks for watching.